quick and easy one. Well, this wasn't that easy. It took a couple minutes to think about it. And the thing here is that you have to do implement a solution with linear runtime complexity and only constant extra space. So you can't just say, well, I'm just gonna have a set or like a hash map and then just count, or anything like that. So each element in the array appears twice, except for one element which only appears once. At first I was thinking, well, maybe I can do something with adding and subtracting these numbers, so like 1 and 1 can annihilate each other if I subtract them. But then how do you know in linear time like where its counterpart is, right? You can't sort it because linear runtime, and there's just a lot of constraints here. And then remember, you can actually XOR stuff. So then, for example, you can do like C equals A XOR B, and then that's just has the bits be XOR'd. So basically, the nums is at least 1, so ants equals nums 0, and then so for I in range, the rest of the array can I do it like this? When you XOR two numbers that are the same, then you would go ahead and annihilate them, because then the bits are equal. Let's see. Yeah, that's a pretty good one there. Yep. That was short.